Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to learn programming. Let's get started. Step 1. Ask for a lesson plan. Type, "Teach me Python step by step as a beginner." ChatGPT will break it down into easy lessons. Then, learn by examples. Ask ChatGPT to show me how to print text in Python and explain each line. You'll get clear code and simple explanations. Then practice with mini challenges. Say, "Give me a small Python challenge with the answer." Great for building skills and testing what you learned. Then debug and ask questions. Paste your code and ask, "Why is this code not working?" ChatGPT will help you fix and understand it. Once you're confident, ask ChatGPT to teach me how to build a simple website using JavaScript or any tech you want to explore. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.